Good morning. It's a beautiful day here at Cable Dahmer Buick GMC here in Independence. Today we're going to be checking out this beautiful red 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Woo! Look at this thing right here, guys. It's an SLT in phenomenal condition. Man, look at the chrome on that. Beautiful unit right here. It's not gonna last long, guys. I'm just telling you that right now. First and foremost, it only has 35,000 miles. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, beautiful front display. Even a little secret compartment right there. How cool is that? For whatever you need in there. Then you just click it, close it right back. Oh, wow. You'll have your sunroof. And then, yeah, that's right, Bose speakers. Bose speakers. It's crazy to think. Very clean leather on the inside. Let's check out the back. Leather in the back. TV. Another one right here. The entertainment on this is crazy, guys. Also has heated seats in the back. Not a Denali, but this thing is loaded. Oh my goodness. Let's go open the trunk. Let it open up. Wow. Plenty of back seat space, or trunk space, should I say. And then put the seats down, it's just one click, okay? Oh, those are the front ones. So there, and then it goes down. Hold this one, goes down, easy as that. Close it, click of a button. Beautiful vehicle, guys. Come check it out at Cable Dahmer Buick GMC here in Independence.